and looking at the search market, there's more competition. There's ChatGPT, there are other large language players, Anthropic, even Meta is talking about getting into search. So there is definitely Perplexity being another one. There is more competition for sure. Now, the thing that's impressed me this quarter was they continue to execute on search. So even though the search volumes are going down, they still had an inline quarter, 49.1 billion
Which is
in
pretty
revenue.
amazing, right?
Why are search volumes going down?
Because if ChatGPT is taking some of your traffic for informational queries, then Google search volume, I would say, is going down. But the ROI on their ad spend is so high that they can make it up on the ad pricing side. So even if volumes are going down, ad pricing continues to be stronger.
Why? Because they're the dominant player?
They are the dominant player, and they have the best kind of moat when it comes to the ad stack around keyword searches. There's no better platform for navigational searches or transactional searches. If you're an e-commerce player, you have to advertise on YouTube. There is no way out of it.
So what's the question that you would want to know from them on the earnings call? I mean, the stock's now up 4.2% in the aftermarket, so the momentum just building.
They give you so little in terms of guidance that I almost want to, plead the management to give us more details around their CapEx plans. Like every other company gives us so much more.
Well, this is the thing that going into this week, right, with all of these guys reporting and what it would tell us about the AI spend, what so far have you heard about, or are you feeling like you're getting
if the cloud number was a blowout, which it looks like in this print, then clearly, the spend on AI is translating into cloud revenue. And so to my mind, I think that AI CapEx investment is showing up in the cloud revenue. And that's why I want to know the CapEx guide. Are they overspending? Because at this pace, with the $50 billion CapEx, they're way lower than Microsoft at around $80 billion. Yeah. So that's why that CapEx guide is very important.
Is it apples to apples when it comes to the way these companies are investing? Can we really say, okay, the Microsoft AI spend or Microsoft CapEx, we can compare it directly to Alphabet's?
You can, and Alphabet has got a different set of businesses along with AI and cloud. They have got Waymo. That's a big investment. I mean, that's a big call option on the company overall. That revenue line could be huge, and they are investing on the Waymo side. But look, when it comes to CapEx, it's all about training of large language models. Mm-hmm. Can you maintain the lead when it comes to Microsoft OpenAI partnership and where Google stacks up against them?